Guys! Hello sa inyong lahat. Nagbabalik sila ng gala. At ngayon nga pala ay preparation ng graduation ni Ate Jo. Ayan. So, nasa salon kami at siya ay nagpapa-beauty. Okay? So, ayan guys. Nagpa-ayos siya ng buhok at saka nagpa-makeup siya dyan para ready na mamaya. Kasi, alauna yung kanyang graduation para sa kanyang college. Kasi, nagtapos siya ng teacher. So, ayan guys. Habang naghihintay ako ay binibidyohan ko siya. Ayan guys, may pakulot-kulot siya ng buhok. Ayan. At habang inaayos yung buhok niya ay nakikipagkwentuhan kami dito kay ate na nag-aayos ng buhok niya. Ayan. So, ganyan lang yung hair niya. Simple lang pero maganda yan pag natapos. For sure. Ayan. So, sobrang nipis nga yung buhok niya. So, pinakulot na lang namin kaunti para o curly yung buhok niya para medyo kumapal kaunti. Ayan na guys. So, pag natapos na yan, ready na kasi nakabihis naman na siya. Tapos na rin yung mukha niya, na make up na rin siya. So, antayin na lang na matapos yung kanyang buhok. So, yan na. Patapos na yung kanyang buhok at nang kami ay matapos na. Dumiretso na kami sa event na aming pupuntahan. At ayan. So, pansamantala, mute muna tayo. Voice over muna ating gagawin kasi makaka-copyright na naman tayo. So, ayan guys. Habang papasok sila dun sa event at binibidyoan ko sila kasi dito yung way papunta dun sa kanilang graduation. Ayan guys. At napakalaki ng space para sa graduation nila. Ayan na nga sila sa registration. Chine-check kung naka-registered yung pangalan nila at binigyan sila ng graduation pin at meron na silang SAS. Ayan. Nakatunayan sila ay graduate. Ayan. So, congratulations. Tinanggalan natin ng music. Ayan. Sinasabitan na siya dyan. Kasama yung katrabaho niya. Pareha sila nag-aral online. Ayan guys. At dito gaganapin yung graduation nila. Yan, so bago nga pumasok ay chine-check muna nila isa-isa yung pangalan kung naandito nga yung mga gagraduate, kung isa sila sa mga nakalista sa mga gagraduate ngayon. Ayan, ngayon po ay November 26, 1 PM po ng araw ng linggo. Ayan. So meron na silang pin, meron pang SAS, tapos meron pa silang tag name. Yan. So, isa-isa na po nilang binibigyan yung mga gagraduate. Ayan guys, sasabitan na rin yung kaibigan ni ate. Sabitan na rin ng SAS. Ayan. So, bawat papasok lahat ng gagraduate ay sasabitan ng SAS. At habang naghihintay nga ay naisipan muna nila na magpa-picture taking doon sa unahan kasi meron doong space para sa picture taking. At ayan, isa-isa na silang pumupunta doon para magpa-picture taking. Ito nga pala ay ang panimula nila, ang kanilang sayaw. Magre-rehearsal daw muna sila. Ayan, may konting exercise para naman full of energy sila pagka tinawag ang kanilang pangalan sa graduation. Ayan, so tinanggal ko na rin yung music niyan kasi alam nyo na, makaka-copyright na naman tayo. Kaya ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang sila sa pagsayaw, pag-exercise.
Tired po.
Hi, good afternoon.
From Nigeria, and I want to say that taking the level 3 course in early years education was the best thing that happened to me in education. I taught for 14 years in my country before I came here, and here I've taught for 3 years, maybe 17 years. But going through the level 3 early years education really opened my eyes, because you know sometimes you have visions, you have a passion, but you don't know how to go about it. Level 3, and again, Ms. Maliha, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you. My course and the teachers, the lecturers, everybody was just there they are just at the snap of the finger. You know, they give you whatever you want, they answer questions, they put you through. And having taught in my own setting in my home country and coming here has really opened my eyes, giving me a wider scope of what early years education is. And I can confidently say I can run my own with the teachings I've gotten here and more to come. I know what to do and how to handle early years foundation. Thank you again, Ms. Maliha.
Well done, come on in, congratulations. Well done, congratulations. Come to the stage, please. Also, Ms. Jocelyn Lino. Well done, Diana. Well done. Okay, next one to the stage, please. If you can come up. Creating the future generation. So please embrace it. Do it responsibly. Good luck with your future on my side, and I know you will make it really high. And yes, as we heard, it is changing world, so changes positively. Well done. Good luck, and then we'll opportunity to provide you. Can we please ask our most beautiful lead educator, Ms. Siobhan, to the stage?
So, hanggang dito na lang po guys ang ating video at nagtatapos na ang kanilang graduation. Kaya naman, oras na para kumain. Let's eat! Kainan na! Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga gumraduate, lalong-lalo na kay Ate Jocelyn Lino. Congratulations po! Good luck sa new journey!